Why does jewelry continue to sell regardless of economic shifts? Understanding this can transform your confidence in sales in the jewelry industry. Let's explore the emotional and market dynamics behind jewelry sales. Jewelry transcends being a mere product. It embodies emotion and love, memory and identity, and success. Even during economic downturns, people reduce spending on gadgets and travel, yet jewelry continues to thrive. This is because jewelry is purchased based on feelings, not logic. When customers visit your store, they seek more than metal or stone. They desire items that make them feel valued or celebrated. A wedding ring symbolizes commitment. An anniversary gift signifies appreciation. A diamond bracelet represents personal achievement. Jewelry carries deep meaning, which is what customers truly buy. A moissanite pendant reflects trend and affordability. A natural diamond symbolizes legacy and status. This intrinsic meaning drives the purchase decision. Understanding this helps in connecting with customers. The global demand for jewelry is stable and rising. Lab-grown diamonds are gaining popularity for their value. Moissanite appeals to younger buyers seeking style. Natural diamonds retain emotional and cultural dominance. Regardless of market shifts, customers continue to buy jewelry. People don't need jewelry, they desire it. Desire is more compelling than necessity. Even in slow economies, life events continue. Birthdays, engagements, anniversaries, and weddings persist. Jewelry is integral to these significant moments. As a retailer, comprehend the emotional reasons behind purchases. Are they buying for love, celebration, confidence, or investment? Once you grasp their emotions, selling becomes effortless. Tailor your approach to meet their emotional needs. This understanding enhances customer relationships. Provide customers with diverse choices. Natural diamonds for prestige, lab-grown for value, moissanite for trend. By offering all three, you cater to every customer. Guide them to the best fit for their budget. This strategy ensures you never lose a sale. For deeper strategies, visit my second channel, Mind to Market. I teach pricing, closing, sourcing, and inventory planning. Learn how to start a diamond business. These resources are designed to enhance your industry knowledge. Find the link in the description below. At Govinda Luxe, we manufacture natural CVD and moissanite jewelry. Retailers trust us for our comprehensive offerings. We help you serve every customer across all price ranges. Our diverse product line supports your business growth. Partner with us to meet varied customer needs. Jewelry sells because it makes people feel special. Retailers who comprehend this emotional aspect succeed. It's not about being the cheapest or biggest, it's about understanding purchase psychology. This insight is the key to thriving in the jewelry business. If you're a retailer, wholesaler, or B2B buyer, subscribe to Govinda Luxe. I'll guide you in growing your diamond jewelry business. Each video provides step-by-step insights. Stay updated with industry trends and strategies. Together, we'll navigate the diamond world. For a structured learning experience, visit Mind to Market. The YouTube channel offers comprehensive courses on the diamond business. Explore strategies and industry insights. The link is available in the description. Enhance your knowledge and skills with our curated content. Jewelry is intertwined with life's biggest moments. It holds emotional significance and value. Understanding this role is crucial for success. Retailers must connect with customers' emotions. This connection drives sales and customer loyalty. Building an emotional connection with customers is vital. It goes beyond selling a product. It's about offering an experience. Customers remember how you make them feel. This emotional bond fosters repeat business and referrals. The jewelry market is dynamic. Adapting to changes is essential for growth. Stay informed about trends and customer preferences. Offer products that meet evolving demands. Flexibility and innovation are key to staying competitive. A diverse product range attracts a wider audience. Cater to different tastes and budgets. Offer a mix of traditional and contemporary designs. This diversity enhances your market appeal. It ensures you meet various customer needs. Trust is the foundation of customer relationships. Deliver consistent quality and service. Transparency and honesty build credibility. Satisfied customers become brand advocates. Trust fosters long-term business success. Listening to customer feedback is crucial. It provides insights into their needs and preferences. Use this feedback to improve products and services. Engage with customers to show you value their opinions. This dialogue strengthens your business relationships. Innovation keeps your business relevant. Explore new materials and designs. Stay ahead of industry trends. Innovation attracts new customers and retains existing ones. It differentiates your brand in a competitive market. Jewelry continues to sell due to its emotional appeal and market dynamics. Understanding customer emotions and offering diverse options is key. By applying these insights, you can enhance your jewelry business's success.